Semangat pagi dan selamat datang di channel Pejuang Skripsi. Silahkan like, subscribe, and share supaya lebih banyak yang merasakan manfaat dari channel ini. Kunjungi aminlimpo.com sebagai situs resminya. Baik, pada kesempatan kali ini kita akan membahas kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris dalam bentuk correlation part pertama. Ada 51 judul yang saya akan tampilkan. Baik, di setiap postingan saya selalu memberikan tips atau informasi tambahan. Kali ini saya akan membahas seputar correlation itu sendiri. Penelitian correlation adalah sebuah penelitian yang disebut juga causal research. Adalah penelitian yang melibatkan tindakan pengumpulan data untuk menentukan apakah ada hubungan antara dua atau lebih variabel. Dan penelitian korelasi ini mempunyai 3 karakteristik penting untuk para peneliti yang hendak menggunakannya. Yang pertama, penelitian korelasi tepat jika variabel kompleks dan penelitian tidak mungkin melakukan manipulasi dan bisa mengontrol variabel seperti dalam penelitian eksperimen. Memungkinkan variabel dapat diukur secara intensif dan dapat disetting dalam lingkungan yang nyata atau real. Kemudian yang ketiga, memungkinkan peneliti mendapatkan derajat asosiasi yang signifikan. Di sini posisi peneliti lebih tinggi daripada objek yang diteliti, sehingga asosiasinya lebih signifikan. Baik, untuk manfaat dan tujuan dari penelitian ini kita akan bahas di akhir video. Silahkan menonton video ini sampai akhir supaya informasi yang didapatkan lebih maksimal. Baik, kita langsung saja menampilkan kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris correlation part pertama. Ada 51 judul. Yang pertama, The Correlation Between the Mastery of Grammar and Nahwu of the 11th grade student of senior high school. Judul yang kedua, The Relationship Between Students' Critical Thinking, Grammar Knowledge, and Writing Ability of Analytical Exposition Text, a Correlation Study of the 11th grade student of senior high school. Judul yang ketiga, The Relationship Between Student Enrollment in English Course and Student Achievement, a Correlation Study in Junior High School. Judul yang keempat, Critical Reading Skill, Academic Vocabulary Mastery, and Students' Argumentative Writing Ability dalam bentuk correlation in Department of English Education. Yang kelima, The Correlation Between Habit in Singing English Song and the Ability of Pronunciation of the 11th grade student of senior high school. Judul yang keenam, The Relationship Between Students' Perceptual Learning Style, Cognitive Reading Strategy, and their Narrative Text Reading Comprehension. Judul yang ketujuh, The Correlation Between Receptive Vocabulary Mastery and Reading Comic Ability of the 10th grade student of senior high school. Judul yang ke-8, The Correlation Between Listening and Speaking Ability of the 5th semester student of English Education Department. Judul yang ke-9, The Correlation Between Student Phonology Mastery, Metacognitive Strategy Awareness, and their Listening Comprehension. Judul yang ke-10, The Correlation Between Vocabulary Mastery and their Writing Ability of Descriptive Text. Judul yang ke-11, The Correlation Between Student Verbal Linguistic Intelligence and their Reading Achievement in Correlation Study. 12, The Correlation Between the Mastery of Simple Present Tense and the Ability in Writing Recontest of the 10th grade student of senior high school. Judul yang ke-13, The Correlation Between the Ability of Reading and Translation of the Student of English Education Department of Teacher Training and Education Faculty. 14, The Correlation Between the Mastery of Noun Phrase and the ability of Writing Descriptive Text on the 10th grade student of senior high school. 15, The Relationship Between Student Collocation Knowledge and their Reading Comprehension, a Correlation Study. Judul berikutnya, yang ke-16, the correlation between grammar mastery and speaking skill of the second grade student of English Education Department. Judul yang ke-17, the correlation between student writing ability and student writing speed of the 11th grade of senior high school. 18. The relationship between student metacognitive strategy and their reading achievement. Judul yang ke-19, the correlation between attitude toward PowerPoint presentation and grammar achievement of the third semester student of English Education Department. Judul yang ke-20, the correlation between writing ability of the student and joining the English course. 21. The correlation between student frequency in watching English movie and student vocabulary mastery of the 11th grade student of senior high school. Berikutnya judul yang ke-22, the correlation between intelligence quotient and student achievement in learning English of the PCS student of SMA Atenul Fikri Depok dalam correlation study. 23. The correlation between the frequency in reading English textbook and the vocabulary mastery of the 10th grade student of senior high school. Judul yang ke-24, the relationship between student metacognitive strategy and their reading achievement. Berikutnya judul yang ke-25, correlation between handling problem student interest and their achievement in English at senior high school. 26. The correlation between frequency of watching English TV program and vocabulary mastery of the 10th grade student of senior high school. 27. The relation between student anxiety and their achievement in reading comprehension. Judul yang ke-28, the relationship between student vocabulary mastery and their writing achievement. 29. The correlation between higher order thinking skill atau HOTS and the English achievement of the 11th grade student of senior high school. 30. The relationship between student reading interest in academic book and their vocabulary mastery. Judul berikutnya yang ke-31, the correlation between the score of English National Examination and the English achievement of the 10th grade student of senior high school. Judul yang ke-32, correlation between student mastery in simple present tense and their achievement in writing descriptive text. Judul yang ke-33, the correlation between grammar mastery writing and writing ability. Judul berikutnya yang ke-34, the correlation between the reading comprehension and the translation ability of the 11th grade student of senior high school. 35. The correlation between motivation and speaking achievement of the second semester of English Education Department. 36. Parents' involvement and its influence on student English achievement, a correlation study at junior high school. Berikutnya judul yang 37, the correlation between student grammar mastery and their reading comprehension. 38. The correlation between student linguistic intelligence and their English speaking skill achievement. 39. The correlation between student personality, extrovert and introvert, and their reading achievement. Judul berikutnya yang ke-40, the correlation between the reading comprehension of English test and the mastery of pronoun of the 8th grade student of junior high school. 41. The correlation between student motivation in reading and their reading speed. 42. The correlation between reading ability and TOEFL score of the 8th semester student of English Education Department of Teaching, Training, and Education Faculty. Berikutnya judul yang ke-43, the relationship between student vocabulary mastery and their reading comprehension. 44. The relationship between student reading habit and their achievement in the class of reading for English International Standardized Test. 45. The correlationship between listening song activity and student vocabulary mastery. Berikutnya, judul ke-46, the relationship between creative thinking ability and the student writing skill of analytical exposition test. 47. Linguistic intelligence, vocabulary knowledge, and student reading comprehension. 48. The correlation between students' self-directed learning and their reading achievement, a correlation study. 49. The correlation between student motivation to learning speaking and their speaking ability. 50. Reading interest and reading comprehension, a correlational study. Judul yang terakhir, the correlation between anxiety and student speaking performance in the EFL classroom. Berikutnya, terima kasih telah menonton di kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris. Silahkan like, subscribe, and share supaya lebih banyak yang merasakan manfaat dari postingan ini. Kunjungi amininfo.com sebagai situs resminya. Terima kasih.